Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a nourishing self-care morning skincare routine. I'm going to focus on the self-care element right now. My intention with today's video is to distract you all from what's going on so that we can all relax and connect over skincare. I would also love you to leave a comment down below. I want us to have lots of discussions right now. You can just tell me anything you like. You can tell me where it is in the world that you are, how you're feeling right now, whatever it is that you're comfortable saying, as long as it's nice and friendly, then yeah, join in the comments below and we can all stick together right now and have lovely, nice conversations. So I just splashed my face with some water quickly, and I'm going to go in with the COSRX Salicylic Acid Daily Gentle Cleanser. I'm going to give you a little update on this because I've been using it for a while now, as well as the Purito Galactoniacin 97 Power Essence, which you can see I'm basically halfway through. My skin has been on a bit of a journey with these products because I'm going to put it everywhere today. I'm going to go wild. People that normally watch my videos, you will see that because I've got combination skin, I usually only apply it to my T-zone. And then a couple of times a week, I do it everywhere, and that just helps balance my skin. Because if I were to use this all over every day, then it would work great on my T-zone, but it would make everywhere else a little bit dehydrated, I imagine. So when I first started using these, I did break out a little bit. My skin purged. I think that I'm not used to using these types of cleansers. It's only now that I've really kind of realised that my skin is combination that I've started using these products. And you might have seen in some of my other videos that I did have like small breakouts here and there, nothing major, but definitely my skin was disrupted, and I think that it was just purging some stuff that was underneath, came to the surface thanks to the salicylic acid in this cleanser and also the witch hazel and other astringent ingredients. But now I feel like everything's come out, my skin has now rebalanced, and it's really benefiting from using this cleanser. I'll tell you a little bit more about it afterwards. Right now I'm going to quickly jump in the shower and obviously rinse this off, and then I'll come back and continue with my morning skincare routine. So now I'm going to get started with the essences. I've got a couple that I'm going to layer today. This one is, as I mentioned before, the Purito one. I won't bother telling you the name again. I will just link all the products down below because I always do. But yeah, as I said, the intention is definitely just to kind of give you a distraction from what's going on in the world at the moment. I put something up on my Instagram the other day, and I was saying that right now I am spending as long as I can every day, but it might be, you know, a few minutes, it might be 10 minutes, 15 minutes, as long as I can concentrate for, where I just meditate. And I'm a really strong believer in energy and how on some level we are all connected in some way, and we can almost, you know, connect with each other even if we aren't talking to each other, just with our feelings and our intentions and our vibes. So I spend, yeah, as long as I can meditating and then just thinking about all the people that need healing right now, all the doctors and nurses working really hard to try and kind of send them as much healing, positive, white light to hopefully just try and kind of help them right now, because I think it's quite easy to feel very helpless and that we can't do anything. But I think that, you know, just lifting people up is a really, really good thing, and we're all capable of that. So that's what I've been trying to do on my Instagram, just to inspire people. Hopefully loads of people are inspiring me, So yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing day to day as I'm quarantined at home right now. Next product I'm going to use is this absolutely gorgeous essence that I've got. It's called Aromatica. It's like a biphase, and it's called the Reviving Rose Infusion Treatment Toner. It's basically just a rosy, hydrating. Did it say toner? Oh, it's a toner, not an essence. I mean, there's not that much difference, to be honest. So I'll just go over the top with this. This just makes my skin feel lovely and hydrated. Very soft, makes it feel lovely and soft and hydrated. The one thing that I'm really grateful right now is the lovely weather we're having in the UK. It's really, really sunny. So we've been kind of, we're like confined to the home now. We have to stay indoors. I'm allowed to go out to walk Ralphie, to the supermarket. They do let us out to do exercise once a day, but I kind of incorporate that into the times that I walk Ralphie. But yeah, the weather is absolutely gorgeous. Even though we all have to stay inside, at least the sun's coming through the windows, which is really, really nice. As always, I'm going to apply a little bit of eye cream. I'm going to go in with the Glossier Bubble Wrap, which I'm still using. It lasts for ages because with this you get 22 ml, and often with eye creams you get only like 15 ml of product. So that's good. So I'm just going to gently put that around my eyes for some added moisture and hydration. This has got avocado oil, it's got blueberry extract in as an antioxidant, it's got peptide in it to help with any kind of fine lines. So it's a nice, it's also obviously got hyaluronic acid in it. So it's really nice. And what I also kind of try to focus on with my eye cream is like this area here. This is where the crow's feet form, and this is where my skin happens to get quite dry. Yes. I've got a really cool little gadget that I'm going to show you now. It's actually got a few of Ralphie's hairs on them that I have to wipe off. This is a boost mask. Now I'm very lucky because my best friend is the founder of a brand called The Light Salon, and it's basically you can go and have treatments in store. They're available in the US, but it's at Nordstrom, in certain Nordstroms in California, I believe, and also in the Nordstrom in New York at the moment. Let me make the light a bit brighter. And what they do is they offer like LED facials, but they've got this boost mask that you can use at home. And because she's my friend that owns the brand, she kindly gave me one as a gift, so I feel very lucky. So sometimes I like to use this, especially now that I'm at home and I've got a little bit more time to look after my skin. And then what you can do is, this is basically just the charger and the on switch, so you can just put that into your t-shirt so it just stays there, and then you can walk around, you can do the tidying up, you can talk on the phone, you can do anything you like. And the benefits of LED red light therapy is that it is good for inflammation, it's good for boosting collagen in the skin, elastin, hyaluronic acid. It helps the skin naturally produce hyaluronic acid. So it's just, the main kind of benefit that I noticed from this is it makes my skin nice and glowy. So it stays on for 15 minutes. So I'll let this do its thing for 15 minutes, and then I will come back and finish off with an exciting SPF that I want to show you, that's also like a moisturizer as well. So, and it's a mineral SPF. I've tried, I've been using a lot of chemical SPFs, which I absolutely love. This is a mineral one, which is really exciting, and yeah, I'll show you about that in 1 second. All right, so I'm going to take that off now and go in with some SPF. It's better. You're only supposed to use that twice a day, but I've been laying in bed with it, using it so much at the moment. I absolutely love it. I find it really relaxing as well, to just like lay back and chill out for a while. But back to sunscreen, SPF 30. I know, very controversial for me, but it's enough right now. I'm not going out very much, so I'm happy with that. So if you like SPF 30, if you're happy with that, then this could be a good option for you. It is a mineral sunscreen, which I'm often wary of because they make my face go completely white like a ghost. This one, on the other hand, is really, really good. I tend to apply it generously. It does come in like a little tub, in a smaller size that's in a tub which is more travel friendly. This is in this nice kind of apothecary bottle, but kind of isn't always the most practical, and it comes with this little spoon, and I always kind of end up using, you know, well no, actually I would say that that is probably the correct amount to use. So I'd say that's about 1/4 of a teaspoon. And it is lovely and rich. The reason why I like this so much is because once it's settled into the skin, it gives my skin the loveliest glow. Now obviously it does look quite white now, but fear not, because it will all sink in beautifully to my skin. Get it around my beard. But to come up close because I can't see what I'm doing otherwise. Get it all into that hairline. Oh, by the way, yeah, I've bleached my hair again. I think that last time I did a video, I hadn't bleached my hair. I basically haven't done a video in ages, and if I'm completely honest, I have not felt up to it. I haven't felt positive enough. I haven't felt upbeat enough. Yesterday I recorded one and my energy was just so low and flat that I was like, there's absolutely no way that I can upload this. But today I've managed to kind of perk myself up a little bit and yeah, feeling more myself. But yeah, since I last saw you, I have gone blonde. But now I'm in quarantine, I have no idea when I'm going to be able to get my hair cut or coloured again. So we'll see what happens with that. I suppose I can always shave it off with the beard trimmers, or buy some bleach on Amazon and get it sent to the house. We'll see what I have to do. But what you can see now is this has sunken into my skin, and it will continue to do so. And when it's kind of fully meshed with the skin, it just gives it a really nice glowy sheen that I absolutely love. Now this is a natural brand, so it's got like all natural ingredients in, so if that's something that you're interested in, this is also a good option for you, because out of all of the SPF, out of all the SPFs from the natural brands that I've tried, that is definitely the best one. I think it's got the nicest finish. The only thing that I will say about this, and that is probably going to be a deal breaker for most people, is that it does peel under makeup. So when I go on with my Glossier stretch concealer over the top, it does peel because of this. I obviously apply quite a lot, but you should apply quite a lot. You can see now it's starting to kind of settle in. It does make the skin look a little bit shiny, but as it kind of settles in, I love the glow that it gives my face. It doesn't give my face a greasy glow. It gives it a lovely, nice glow that I'm very, very happy with. So if you don't wear makeup, then this is a really good option for you. If you do wear makeup, then maybe not. But as an SPF, when it's not like super sunny or I'm just staying in, then that's absolutely fine. And I love it. I'm not going to go in with any concealer today because I'm not really going to see anyone. I must say though that I am trying to make the effort to do something with myself. You know, sometimes put on some clothes or whatever. I don't know how long we're going to be here for. They said 3 weeks, the government, and that was from, I think it was from Monday. I can't remember now. they said 3 weeks. So yeah, I want to try and make the effort to get dressed properly, not all the time, but some of the time. Yeah, just not lay around and be a slob, because I don't think that's very good for the mental health. So yeah, we'll just see how it goes. I don't think that we're going to be here for 3 weeks. I think it's going to be longer. But whatever it takes to get everything back to normal, I suppose. I wish you all so well. I wish you all the best. If you want kind of more day-to-day updates, then follow me on Instagram. The best one to follow me on is James Off Duty. I'll also put a link to that down below. I've got James Just Now, which is where I put all my hair stuff, because I'm also a hair colorist. So if you're interested in hair, then please follow me there as well. But I will stop rambling for now, and I wish you all the best. I want you to stay safe, be well. All the love to your families. I hope that everyone is okay. And I will be back soon. I've got a Korean sunscreen review for you, which is really, really, really exciting. Big kiss. Take care. Bye.